Good morning students. Today we are going to do chapter sentences. What are sentences? A group of words which are in proper order and with complete meaning or sense are called sentences. A sentence start with capital letter and end with full stop, question mark or an exclamation sign. Okay. A sentence is a group of words which are in proper order and they have a complete sense. Example, I made her an hour ago. This is a group of words and they are in proper order and they are giving a full meaning. Like I made her an hour ago. So this is a meaningful. And important thing is that बच्चे see this always start with capital letter, starting with capital letter, and it is have a full stop, question mark or exclamation sign. So it is a positive sentence. It have a full stop. Okay, and a sentence always have a verb and their verb is met. It always has a verb. Without verb no sentence is there and the verb is there met. Now बच्चे phrases. What are phrases? Small group of words which do not make complete sentence, complete meaning or sense is called phrases. Okay, and they are opposite of sentences. Like sentence start with capital letter and have a punctuation mark. This is called punctuation marks. Full stop, question marks, exclamation sign, they are called punctuation. Okay, so they are opposite of this. They do not have capital letter, they do not have verb and they do not have any punctuation mark. Example, across the street. This is a small group of words without capital letter, no verb is there and no punctuation is there. Clear? Now बच्चे subject and predicate. What is subject and predicate? A sentence has two parts. One is subject and one is predicate. What is subject? What about we speak in a sentence is called a subject. Like this is a sentence. Akbar was a wise king. In this बच्चे we are speaking about Akbar. So what is Akbar? Akbar is a subject. Predicate. What we speak about the subject, like subject is Akbar and what we are speaking about the Akbar, that is predicate. Here we are saying about the Akbar that was a wise king, so it is a predicate. Predicate always has a verb and object. Okay, so verb is here was, object is a wise king, so with a verb and object is called a predicate. Now what is object? Which words give the answer of what or whom with verb are called object. Like Ram plays cricket. Here we have to see with verbs. With verbs we will ask the question what or whom and the answer which we get, this is object. This is an object. So here first of all we see Ram. Ram is a subject. Place is a verb. Now if we ask what place, what place? Answer is getting cricket. So cricket is object. Here बच्चे object can be a thing or object can be a person. If it is a thing then we will ask what, but if it is a person then we will ask whom. So object can be a thing, can be a person. If it is giving an answer of what, it means it is a thing. Cricket, here you can see no anything is there. Sumit saw a giant. Okay, if we ask whom Sumit saw, whom saw a giant. So a giant is an object. Next बच्चे there are type of sentences. There are 4 type of sentences. First is assertive. This is also called declarative or statement. Assertive sentence is used to tell something or to give information. The structure of writing assertive sentences is subject, verb and object, and but it ends on full stop. Okay, like I am a boy. This is telling something. I am a boy, starting with capital letter, subject, then verb am, then object boy, and at the last full stop. Okay, then interrogative. It is used to ask question. Interrogative sentences used to ask questions. And the structure of writing interrogative is first of all question word, then helping verb, subject, main verb and object, and at the last of course full stop should be there. Oh sorry, question mark should be there. Okay, it always end with question mark. Example is, what is your name? What is a question word? Is helping verb. Okay, your name, subject and object, and it always end with question mark. Next is imperative. Imperative sentences, which these are used for order, to give order, for request or for advice. And the structure of this, verb and object. Open the door. Open is a verb, the door is a object. So this is an order, open the door. Last, exclamatory sentences. It is used to express our sudden feelings and emotions. Okay, and they always end with exclamation sign, and they mostly interjection words are used here, like oh, alas, hurrah. Okay, and sometimes they also starting with what a beautiful day, and adds the exclamation sign. Okay, what a beautiful day and the exclamation sign, and with interjection like oh, I hurt my ankle, oh, I hurt my ankle, hurrah, we have won the match. So these are exclamatory sentences which are used to express the sudden feelings and emotions. Thank you.